Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. In this video I will be reviewing some products from Skinrocks. So I have a couple of them here, four in number. Honestly, I should have more than this, but these are the ones I've been able to get my hands on. So I'll go according to application. And the first one here is the Skinrocks Cleanse, the cream cleanser, and it's a facial cleansing cream basically. So this is a cream cleanser. And then the next one is this tone, which is a BHA, the control acid. It's a BHA exfoliating acid toner and it's for congested skin. Then the next one I have here is Protect, the Antioxidant Face Serum. This is the most recent product from Skinrocks collection. And then the final one I have here is Moisturize, the Moisturizer. This is a face cream and it's for all skin types. So first things first, whenever Skinrocks launch any of their products, like whenever they launch a new product, they're always, I'm on their PR release, so they always send me their products and I'm grateful for that. But here on my channel, I am going to review this product and give you my honest opinion, what I think about this product, and basically tell you about it. It's just going to be a review in a nutshell of Skinrocks. So if it's something you're considering, to purchase or you haven't heard of, yes, thanks to me, you're hearing it the first time. So I am going to start off with the cleanse. So the cleanse is a cream cleanser that conditions the skin. Basically, it cleanses the skin without disrupting the natural skin barrier, and generally cream cleansers are known to be very soft and gentle, and it says that you can use it for all skin types. So I believe I received this, I think it was around earlier on in the year, so the weather was quite harsh, quite drying, so that's when I was always reaching out for this, because it's currently summertime. I barely reach for this because it's a cream cleanser. I use this occasionally now, but when the weather was colder and drier and harsher, I was always using this cleanser. So this is a rich creamy cleanser. It has very mild fragrance to it, which I don't mind. It has a mild fragrance and it's really rich. Little goes a long way. So how you use this is by putting some on your palm, massaging, then applying it all over your face, massage on your face, and then using cloth, run under water, wring it, and then wipe your face and then rinse your face, and that's how you use it. So while I was using this, I really found it, during the cold seasons, to be helpful, because my skin at that point was drying out a bit more. So this helped to minimize the drying, because I know that if I used foaming cleansers, my skin would have dried out more. So this played a huge role. But now that the weather is this is summertime, I get more oily. I do not exactly use this unless I just feel like one of those days. But honestly, at the moment, I do not reach for it. So what do I think about the cleanser? It's a really good cleanser if you have very dry skin. This would be a very good cleanser for you to reach. So for 125 ml product, it costs £32, which is actually on the high side, but for the benefits and for how long it goes, like the amount of cleansing or washing you get, it goes a long way. So it's slightly on the high side, but it is absolutely worth every penny, because little goes a long way. So I would say this is amazing for people with dry skin, or if your skin is compromised, if your barrier is compromised and you find that our harsh cleansers are quite stripping or you can't stand them, this will be something for you to consider. So that's it for this cleanser. And so the second product is the tone, which is the control acid, which is a BHA exfoliating toner, and this is for congested skin. So basically what it does is that it helps decongest the skin, and this contains 2% BHA. So honestly, it's still quite full, because I have used this only a handful of times, maybe 3 times. it did its work, but I would say this is an exfoliant, honestly. Yeah, it's a exfoliating toner. So just because I have other toners that work better for me, I tend to use those ones as opposed to this one. So this is only when I remember to use it, I reach out for it. Like I said, I'm being completely honest with you guys. But not to say that this is not a good toner. It is a good exfoliant, BHA exfoliant. So this is ideal for people with oily skin, you know, because it contains BHA. So if you have dry skin, they have, I believe they have I think that there's another toner they have, which is the PHA, and that one is milder. It's for people with sensitive or dry skin, you know. So but this is for people with congested skin. So this is not something that I always reach out for. I know I had the other toner, which is PHA, but I gave that one away. So but this, I do not always reach for this, and it's something that I may just end up giving away before it expires, because I have other toners that do a better job in my opinion. Or maybe I would say that I haven't really given this a proper chance. Maybe what I'll do is, like, you know, for the coming weeks, I will try to use it as an exfoliant and really compare and contrast to see if it actually does, you know, a similar job, which I prefer. But the few times I've used it, it's just been like, okay, but yeah, that's it for this one. So it has no fragrance to it, which is really good. So yeah, and on top they always draw the quantity you should always use. So this one, I believe it retails for, I think, about £42, and it is still a bit pricey, but I mean, that's it. That's what this review is for. And then for the next product is the Protect, which is an antioxidant. And antioxidants, they're just everything, especially if you are, you know, if you love anti-aging products. So antioxidants are just those like products that you always reach out for, you know. So anyway, this is their antioxidant, which is their latest release in their collection, the Skin Rock collection, and this is for all skin types. It's a face serum, and for this, oh yeah, forgive me, so for this you can use it AM or PM, once a day, up to 3 times a week. So I'm talking about the BHA now. So it can be used up to 3 times a week, you know. So you after cleansing, dampen with a cotton pad, dampen the cotton pad with a toner, sweep all over the face, avoid the eye area. But honestly, I would say for this, just stick to using it at night time, you know. That's when I ideally like to use like salicylic acid, and also follow up with broad spectrum SPF in the day. So back to this back to the antioxidant. So this one is one that you can use in the day or at night after cleansing and toning your skin. So you massage 1 to 2 pumps onto the entire face. Use sun protection during the day. It is very essential for you to use sun protection. And so it comes like this. It comes with a pump, and you get 30 ml worth of product in this. Why do I feel you? Okay, yeah, that's so thoughtful. So it comes with like, you can, it's refillable basically. So that's, you know, eco-friendly in a nutshell. So when this is done, you purchase this, and I'm sure this will be less expensive to get the refill. So this is what it looks like, in my opinion. Let's see, is it a serum? Yeah, it's a serum, but it looks more like a moisturizer to me. So it has a very faint scent to it, but it's like, I mean, I think I got the smell or the scent because I really put my nose to it. It smells a bit like wet bread. That's very weird, but in my opinion, that's what it smells like. And then it does absorb into the skin. It doesn't feel greasy. So honestly, this is something that I would use, like, now that it's summertime. So this is how I wear this is after cleansing and toning my skin. I will use this and then I'm not going to use a moisturizer. Instead, I'll use my SPF afterwards, because this, in my opinion, is almost like a moisturizer, which is not bad, which is really good. So because my skin feels quite moisturized, so using a moisturizer on top of this for me would be like doing a bit too much, because I mean, I've got somewhat oily skin. So after using this, I would follow up with my broad spectrum SPF. So this targets fine lines and wrinkles, hyperpigmentations, helps to fight environmental aggressors. It just has a whole lot of amazing things it does to the skin, because I mean, it's an antioxidant, and antioxidants help to fight free radicals, which are things that cause the skin to age really quickly. But this comes with a huge price tag. This bottle right here, this 30 ml worth of products, costs £70. So it is not your regular antioxidant serum. It's a powerful one with a huge price tag to it. So that's it. And oh yeah, I see they say it's fragrance free. Well, that's what it says here. So basically that's it for this the antioxidant from face serum. And then the final product is this one, which is the moisturizer, and it's a face cream, and this is for all skin types. I'm going to show you guys how far I've used this. So if you can see, well, I'm almost at the bottom, you know. So it's that. Okay, I use this mostly at nighttime because it is really rich. Like, little goes a long way. It has no fragrance to it. It leaves my face well moisturized, and that's why I prefer to use it at nighttime. So okay, just put it in. Let me put some more and show you guys. So it is not greasy, but it feels very, very hydrating, very moisturizing. So that's it, and it absorbs fully into the skin. When it absorbs into the skin, it leaves the skin somewhat conditioned. So it is such a wonderful moisturizer, and you can see that I actually use it, and I've been using this for I don't remember how long I've been using it for, but I've been using it every other night, you know, and I absolutely love it. So this moisturizer targets dryness, dehydration, and it really basically hydrates the skin. And from their website, I can see that they have two kinds, the one that is fragranced, and then the fragrance free one. But the one I have is the fragrance free one. I absolutely love fragrance free products, or even if it has to have fragrance, the fragrance won't be overpowering. So this I absolutely love, and for this costs £58, and you get 50 ml worth of product in it. But like I said, I've been using this, and little goes a long way. So for £58 you get 50 ml worth of product. So now I'm going to let you know the one I love the most, my favorite to my least favorite. And honestly, that something is my least favorite does not mean that it's not someone else's favorite. You know, we're all different. But personally, my favorite would have to be the moisturizer, because a moisturizer is something that, like, I definitely use, you know, I definitely don't joke with, and this is very hydrating and very moisturizing, you know. So this is my favorite. Then you have this to actually tie, which is the antioxidant, and then the cream cleanser. Even though at the moment I'm not using the cream cleanser, because the weather is, you know, requires me to use some like foaming cleansers, or like, you know, not to use cream cleansers on regular basis. So these two are a tie. And then my least favorite is this one, but who knows, in the coming weeks everything might just change. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Have you tried this brand, the Skin Rock? If you have, let me know in the comment section. Let me know your favorite product. And with all that being said, I will catch you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.